let's take a look at the view menu. So we're going to go up here and click on this last menu, which is our view menu, and it brings up the view ribbon. Right now we are looking at our document or our notebook here in what we call normal view. That is kind of the default. Normal view means you can see the ribbon up here with the tools. You can see the notebooks that you might have open listed over here on the left hand side, and then you see your workspace right here. Now sometimes if you're working and you're just in there typing, drawing, putting notes down on the page, you don't need to see all this information. You would like to have more white space for working. So you can click on the full page view, and it takes all those things away or hides them, and it gives you more space for working. However, if you need to go back and do something else, you need to change notebooks or choose a different tool, then you can go back to view and click on normal view. Another thing I wanted to show you is this page color. Sometimes when we're working, the white background with the bright colors of the text can be a little hard on the eyes. You can change the color of the background of the page. Click on page color, choose your page color. Might make it a little easier on the eyes or just a little fun to look at. Rule lines, you can click on those, and you might not see the rule lines too well unless you have no color for the background. Then it almost looks like a piece of ledger paper. So you have your lines going across, you have your red line down here, so it looks like just a regular piece of notebook paper. You can turn that off by clicking on that button. You can also zoom in and zoom out. Sometimes if you have a lot of stuff on your page, way over here to the right, way down here at the bottom, and you can't see as much as you would like to, then you might try zooming out and getting more information on the page. However, it does become smaller. Notice we're viewing it at 64%. Zooming in gives you a closer up look, okay? If you need to see something really tiny, now we're looking at 156%. Of course, this doesn't change in the way that it prints it. You can quickly go to 100% by clicking on this button, 75% by clicking on that button. You can click the down arrow and choose a smaller percent that way. So play around with those and learn how to zoom in and zoom out to see what you need. Of course, you can always use your scroll bars to go down and see more information that you have down at the bottom. Or if you have some information over on the right hand side, you will have a horizontal scroll bar. As we zoom in, you'll see the horizontal scroll bar will pop open only when you need it. So if there's no horizontal scroll bar, then you can see everything left to right. So that is a little bit about your view menu.